No gold is not in her. She's a
Hello everyone, it's Architecture and Design Studio. In today's tutorial we will be talking about driveways and how to create any pattern you want for your project using a basic modeling element. It is pretty easy actually, and this method will help you to accurately design your landscape and without any problem. If we move to our pre-made driveways, you can see that pretty much you can design everything depending on your needs. And also, if you have a sloping terrain, this method will help you to adjust your driveway to match your landscape with one click basically, and all your patterns will follow. The result is pretty clean and smooth, as you can see. And if you have a different method on how to do that, please feel free to share that on the comment section. Also, if you have missed the first part on how to drop your curb for your driveway, I will leave the link on the description. Please go and check that out. Before we move on, I would love to thank everyone who supported the channel. Thank you so much, and if you are new and you like our content, do not forget to subscribe, push the notification button so you won't miss our weekly tutorials. On the next week we will finish our first floor layout, so please stay tuned. Once again, thank you so much for all the support, and let's begin. Once you define which pattern you will go for your driveway, what you do, you can just create that over your driveway area using a polyline, for example. Once you finish, you go and pick your mesh tool and you start modeling your driveway. Here we go. In my case, I've got a slightly sloped driveway, and I will go to my 3D and adjust that properly. Here we go. Just gonna lift that up a bit. Here we go. So once you create your driveway on your landscape, what you do, you hit back to your floor plan and you either use the mesh tool or the slab tool, it is entirely up to you, and you start creating your patterns basically. There we go. There we go. Once you're happy with that, for me, I'll still need to create some holes in here, and I'll do the same for the upper part. Here we go. This one, creating a hole, and finish my last piece. Okay, once you're happy, what you do, you just go and select all your pattern, Control A, and you group them for now. You go and check that on your 3D model. Once you're happy with your result, you select your model, you go to Design, Solid Element Operations, and you put that as a target. So then your driveway will be the operator, and you pick the intersection, hit OK. Straight away after that, you put that as an operator and your driveway as a target, and instead of the intersection you pick the subtraction, hit OK. Here we go. Go back to your floor plan, you select your pattern and you override the surface. You pick whatever surface you want to use, and then you pick your driveway and you give it a different one. Here we go. Then you go and see your last result. Here we go. As you can see, it's pretty clean, and as I mentioned earlier, if by any chance you want to change your slope and angle, this one will be basically with one click and the whole pattern will follow. Here we go. Here we go. I hope this tutorial will be helpful, and if you have a different approach on how to do that, please leave your comment on the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.
I know gold is not in her.